If you're a storyteller or a content creator looking to make your folktale videos go viral, you're probably wondering what titles can help you achieve that. Maybe you've seen a viral folktale story titles on YouTube and you want to recreate your own story around them but don't know where to start. In this video, I will show you how to recreate viral folktale stories without infringing on copyright. Let's dive right into the video. First, head over to YouTube and type African folktale stories in the search bar. This will show you stories that are currently doing well and are recent. You will see videos with thousands or hundreds of views, and you might want to recreate the stories in your own words. To start recreating the story, click on the video you want to tell. You will see the three dots beside the video. Look for the share button and click on it. Then copy the video link. This video link will be used to extract the story script. When you have the video link, open your Chrome browser and search for YouTube transcript. Click on the website, then paste the link you copied earlier. When you paste the script, you go ahead to click on Go. As you can see, the video is up here, and you also find the story transcript. Scroll up and you'll find the button that says Copy Entire Script. Next thing you do is to paste the transcript you've copied into ChatGPT. To avoid copyright issues, you will have to paraphrase the story and generate synonyms. You can also change the character names or locations to create a unique version. This way, you'll be telling the same story but in a different way. So you have to open ChatGPT and paste the transcript you've copied. That's the story. Then you go ahead to say, please paraphrase and generate synonyms. Once you've sent the message, you'll notice that ChatGPT has paraphrased and modified the story. For example, the name we were having on the story when we copied it is no longer the same name. As you can see, if you check correctly, it's no longer the same name. It's now having a different name. That's because it has been paraphrased and modified. So if you do it like this, you won't be having any copyright issue. You will tell the same story but in a different way and a unique way. Once you've paraphrased and modified the story, ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for each specific scene. Type, please generate 10 prompts for each specific scene to visualize the story. ChatGPT will provide you with prompts to create AI images for each scene. That's it. With these steps, you can recreate viral African folktale stories while avoiding copyright issues. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave them in the comment section below. Additionally, if you are unsure about creating images, I have a previous video on that topic and I will be leaving that video link in the description box. However, if you would like an updated video on that, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next video.